Bitcoin price is finally jumping from last support 57k to 62k. Around 9% moves has been completed from last support. This was our support level. You can see 57k level, and afterwards price is showing some strength of buyers. We will check all the updated levels in this episode. In last video I have shared about crypto prop firm which is HyroTrader. In this episode we will try to take some trades if there are any opportunities, and we'll try to cover these challenges. Currently I have activated 25k challenge account, and starting from today I will take 50 USDT risk per trade, and profit targets per trade is 100 USDT. Okay, RR 1:1 or 1:2 is okay for me. These rules will be followed in entire trades which videos are associated with the HyroTrader. Okay, if you have missed this last video, you can check this video, because in this video I have explained complete details about HyroTrader, risk boundaries, what are the challenge accounts, how to connect with Bybit. Everything is mentioned in this episode. In today's video I'm not going to tell you how to activate and all these things. I will try to take trades which is associated with the HyroTrader. 25k account size is successfully connected from the HyroTrader. You can see here, to get funded account I need to complete two phases. First phase 10% profit, second phase is 5% profit. Max drawdown is 6%, overall 6%. If loss is happening, then account will be breaches. Okay, in this episode we will try to figure out some BTC trades. Okay, resistance point is 68k level as per this 4-hour formation. This weak candle is so strong, guys. You can see bullish formation from the last support. This is good sign. Now next, what are the possibilities here? If you check this parallel point, if you check this trend line, we have small interruption here. Okay, that's why price is little bit trying to create red candles here. Sellers are entering here. This is the sign. This level is strong, guys. How? Let me explain. Once the candle has started, you can see this was also resistance point. Even if there is resistance, price is not tried to go again back. With just one attempt, price is successfully broken upside, and price is shown that strength of buyers is high. That's why we may expect one more breakout can possible here, might be from this or this, but above 59k or 60k we might expect next moves depending on the price levels. Disclaimer, this video is not any type of financial advice. This is only for the educational information, so you can learn from this episode. Do not blindly follow to any YouTubers or any signal providers. Okay, always try to learn price actions, trend lines, and then only you are good to go. The current scenario is showing that price might break this point, or we have next important resistance point is 67k level. Okay, we can also draw one support point here like this. If this area is holding, we might see next movement till this. Okay, this can be likely 7% profits. Even if I take trade from this point, I will keep my stop loss like here. Okay, let me take one trade here. As I shown my risk strategy, that is 50 USDT per trade risk. That's why I can involve 18x leverage here. Okay, and I will only include 50 USDT. Instead adding max quantity and stop loss, I will not add stop loss, but I will use small quantity. Here we go, quantity is added here. Total value is 900 USDT. You can see quantity in BTC is 0.014 BTC. Cost in USDT, that's about 50 USDT. Next, I can add here take profit and stop loss. I'm expecting next take profit at this point at least 66k level, and I can close my trade at liquidation point. This is the order confirmation. I can accept liquidation because I have added less quantities. You can see my liquidation point. This point is nothing but my stop loss. If you don't want to use stop loss, you can use less quantities and accept liquidation. Okay, overall I will have 5% of risk, and next take profit is 66k point. So even if I lose in this scenario, I will lose 50 USDT. If my take profit is hitting, then I can make here 100 USDT. Instead using stop loss and adding more quantities, I am using this simple strategy here. Okay, once I confirm this all things, simply I have to press confirm. My first trade is successfully opened here. Let me enter my first trade here, BTC long. I will update about this position in next video. I am bullish here because price is already trying to flip market, and the first resistance was here, and this strength is showing as the uptrend. So price might continue like this pattern, or even if price is not continuing this pattern, if sellers are arriving in this point, price might stay at 60 to 62k point and take the next step. Whatever can happen, right? You can see here on HyroTrader you can purchase your challenge accounts if you want to get funded accounts. After completing phase 1 and phase 2, this prop firm can give you funded account, which is real account. If you want to check out what are the challenges and how much does it cost, one step account, two step account, two types of accounts are available. In one step you can see reach your funded account faster with just 10 trading days and a 10% profit target. No verification phase required. With two step, take the longer route to funding, 15 trading days and a 10% profit target in phase 1, followed by verification in phase 2 with 15% target. Okay, and if you want to get some discounts, you can enter here smart trades and simply apply it. With smart trades you might get 10% off on these prices. You can see if you are looking for the $249 account, which is 25k USDT capital with price of 249, but if you use smart trades coupon code you might reduce some price here. If you want to go through the link is also mentioned in the video's description. Managing risk is everything, guys. You will get lot of platforms, you will get lot of opportunities, but if you control your risk, if you manage it properly, then you might earn from this section as well, from these platforms as well. Everything is about risk management. I will update in next video what is the status of this trade. Okay, so more videos are coming with HyroTrader. We will do everything live as we shown in this episode. If you want to stay connected with the challenges, you might stay connected with Smart Trades YouTube channel. I hope today's episode was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.